I searched for a replacement remote for the Maytag branded, Fetters manufactured air conditioner that I showed a couple days ago. I was expecting to find a handful of stray used remotes on eRipOff or something like that. But much to my surprise, I found that and quite a few aftermarket, if you will, replacement remotes for quite a few of those Fetters models sold in the early 2000s. There's a couple things notable about this particular listing, and it speaks volumes about the machine, because if the machine was not well liked, did not last long, did not work well, and was not reliable, there would be absolutely no reason to stock and produce replacement remotes 2+ decades after the machine was originally sold. Yet here we are in the summer of 2024, and replacement remotes are in stock on a plethora of different websites. There appear to be two different remote styles that were used on these machines in the early 2000s. Mine is the M6X model. There also appears to be this remote, which is for the A6X models. I tend to think that the two would probably work interchangeably, but I'm not certain because the part number is off by 1 digit. This ends in the number 6, whereas this one ends in the number 1, and this remote here, I guess this is the original one. This matches very closely to the style of the air conditioner itself, whereas this one, not quite. Now, what's kind of funny about this remote, and I don't know if this is a model number that is irrelevant, or if this is actually what the model number was back in the day, but let's see if we can zoom in here. The model number is 0602. That is ridiculous. It really makes you wonder. When they come up with this model number, and you got to have a group of people sitting around a table, and what should the model number be? It should be 0602. Give me a break. This is the second time in recent months that we've seen a ridiculous model number. This is kind of like the stand fan that had the model number of POS 16. So it's not worth $18 to me to buy a replacement remote, especially if it's not the original one. But I just thought it was interesting to see this many remotes available for it. You can find them on here. This is Newegg's. You can find them on Amazon's. On eRipOff, there's a plethora of these remotes, but I could not find any of the other one. And again, this has replacement remotes available for this model as well. And this is another unit. These models were also from the early 2000s, so we're really we're going pretty far back with these. These remotes are being made for models 20+ years old, and there must be enough demand for it, otherwise nobody would make them. So, 0602. If I could get this remote itself, I might consider the $18, but I can get up and walk across the room and turn the machine on and off, and I'll keep the $18 in my pocket.